Prevent flooding and leaks after drain flushing by verifying each connection and re-establishing water seals before you leave the job site. Start by refilling the P-trap so the water seal is restored. Pour water slowly until you see the trap hold a standing level and listen for gurgles that signal air pathways. Check all unions and gaskets visually and by hand tightness. Tighten only to snug plus a quarter turn to avoid damaging threads or compressing gaskets beyond their designed seal. Run the system briefly at normal flow and at the highest expected flow to confirm the drain does not back up and the inlet does not siphon the trap dry. Inspect for hairline weeps around slip joints and threaded fittings by feeling for moisture and using a dry tissue to detect slow seepage. If a gasket is swollen, torn, or displaced, replace it immediately with the correct material and dimension to match the original. Silicone and foam gaskets are common in different fittings and are not interchangeable. For systems with air admittance valves, operate the trap fill and then cycle nearby fixtures to make sure pressure equalization does not draw the trap dry. Replace malfunctioning valves with a rated unit if needed. Common mistakes include assuming the trap is full after one flush, which causes hidden siphoning later. Remedy that by physically adding water until the trap holds and then retesting after cycling connected fixtures. Another issue is over-tightening unions and compressible gaskets, which leads to distortion and leaks. Hand tighten, then use a wrench only as required and replace damaged gaskets. A third frequent concern is not running the system under expected peak flow, missing intermittent leaks, or backing up that only appear under load. Run both low and high flow tests and observe all visible connections for at least 5 minutes. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides resources specific to post-maintenance checks like trap refills and gasket replacement. We host a discussion community where contractors and homeowners trade tips, ask questions, and share experiences so everyone can prevent water damage together.